horror. Horror. Silent killer. It's the thing, children do not make a sound.
It's like a kick in the guts, honestly, Dave, when you hear a little child drowns.
It can happen in a second, without a sound, right next to other people. Nationwide in 2015-16, 280 people drowned. 45 in backyard swimming pools, 26 were kids younger than 9.
We want to stop those. We want to give them the chance to grow up and be adults.
Former Australian swim coach Laurie Lawrence has been fighting backyard drownings for almost 30 years, having set up the Kids Alive Do the 5 water safety program.
Fence the pool, shut the gate. I teach your kids to swim, it's great. Supervise, watch your mate, and learn how to resuscitate. Kids Alive, do the 5.
The biggest single safety device for kids is adult supervision, but there's now a world first Australian invention to help parents keep their kids alive.
I believe it certainly will save kids' lives, without a doubt. It is the only latch on the market anywhere in the world that will tell you that your gate is unsafe. It's unlatched, and that's the most important thing.
Every time the latch is opened, it beeps, letting the pool owner know someone has entered the pool area. But the MagnaLatch ALERT goes further than that.
There's a warning and a flash when you open the latch. It takes 10 seconds for the next single beep, and then within 5 seconds of that single beep, it will then start to ramp up. So it sort of goes beep, 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 scream, scream, scream.
If a child has actually gone in, is 15 seconds quick enough to be able to save a life?
Oh yes, definitely.
John Clark is a pool safety expert. He's from D&D Technologies, the Australian company known worldwide for gate latches and locks. Now the brains behind the MagnaLatch ALERT, a simple gate latch that can be installed in 15 minutes or less. The first audible alarm gate system ever invented.
The one thing it doesn't do is take the place of parental or adult supervision. That is the number one thing you have to do.
It won't pull your baby out of the pool.
It won't.
But it'll certainly scream.
It'll tell you that there's something in your pool that shouldn't be there because it's gone through the gate.
I think they're incredible. I think they're an incredible safety device for keeping children safe in all areas, in pool fences, and in my case, in a early childhood setting.
Fiona McDonald is the director of a childcare centre which looks after 60 kids a week. She installed 4 MagnaLatch gate alarms, so knows every time a gate is opened.
No way you can't hear it. We're in a childcare centre and it's noisy. And I heard you come in down the side passage today, and you know, I look out. We can look out the window and think, oh, it's you know, it's a visitor or it's a parent, but I can hear every time that gate is opened.
Drowning remains the single biggest cause of accidental death in Australian children, and a spate of child pool drownings over Christmas has forced state governments across the country to re-examine pool safety guidelines. This video, filmed by Adelaide mum Wendy Atkinson, sent shivers down every parent's spine, showing her 2-year-old toddler Brody climbing his pool gate and swinging himself into the pool area. It could never have happened with a MagnaLatch ALERT beeping. Is there any reason really for a child to drown in Australia in 2017?
Not in a swimming pool with the correct fence and gate on it.
What a great way to alert parents to have an alarm.
Alarm that could save your child.
Absolutely. I 100% believe that.